Hello and welcome to another Treehouse Coasters Nemesis construction update here at Alton Towers. Quite a lot has happened in the 3 weeks since our last update, even though it doesn't look like much. The station is continuing to be repainted, the photo booth has started to be repainted, and also the entrance with the tower which we featured last time now has what looks like tentacles coming down the side. In a minute we'll have a closer look. As you can see here through the hole in that fence again, there is what looks like tentacles coming down the side. And also since Thursday there has been an update of the creature escaping, so the phalanx guards have been monitoring and checking everybody that comes in. In the evening it gets a lot more sinister, as you can hear the screams of the Nemesis creature and the phalanx guards walking up and down, making sure that everybody stays within the allotted area. I hope you're as excited as we are to find out more and also to get back on Nemesis when it opens in 2024. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out all our other videos here on the channel. Until then, see you again in another Treehouse Coasters vlog. Goodbye.